Welcome back to the Skylounge talk. My name is Fabian and today we have Mrs. Agathe here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So, how do you belong to Hyde Motorworks?
Well, I'm a shareholder of the mother company, which is Hyde GmbH, and Hyde GmbH has, among others, the brand Hyde Motorworks.
Okay, so how did you came to it? How do you know Hyde from Hyde Motorworks?
I got to know Hyde about 7 years ago through common friends, and especially one, and he's a teacher, and Hyde asked him to teach him German.
Mm-hmm.
And he had no time, so he transferred this request to me. And I had time, but I guess I failed teaching Hyde German. Although meanwhile he can keep up a conversation.
Why you failed? I mean, he can't speak German.
Because we communicate in English only.
Okay, so the teacher bring you the new job that you have to be teacher for a friend to teach him German. He can't speak German now, but you talk to him in English.
Yes.
So, okay, great. But what introduced you to Hyde GmbH or Hyde Motorworks? So
Well, that was Hyde because he was he came to Germany to build up his company,
Yes.
and so I started helping him, and I became a shareholder and a part of the think tank.
Yes,
And
I see the think tank T-shirt here. So
yes,
what makes you special for the company? What is what is the think tank? What are you doing?
I'm helping with decisions
Okay. So,
on
like product names.
which products we
Yeah.
should go after, which the naming process, the colors. I'm very involved in
Yes. Accessoires, I hear it. Yes.
accessories.
I see.
Yes. I was, even while Hyde was in New Zealand, I helped him already
Oh,
with
yes.
this one.
So the
With
badge.
the design
Yes,
of
the
the
badge in
badge.
front of the car. Very nice. I like it. I like it.
Yes,
It's
and
very nice
so
design. And
I do a lot of these.
I mean, everybody in this world has an opinion. I have an opinion. Hyde maybe has an opinion. So I heard you worked before for a well-known German brand, right? So
Yes,
That's-
I worked. I started working for Mercedes-Benz Communications in 1996, and I stopped working in 2018. So I was there, part of that company for
Mhm.
quite a while, and I worked for about 11 years in international communications.
that's great. That's why you're so good in
And-
English.
Well, my English skills come from the fact that I spent a year in the U.S. as a high school student, and I studied English at university. I worked in international communication for 11 years, where my everyday language was English, more or less.
I thought you were so good in English while teaching Hyde German.
Yeah, on top of all.
Yes. So you transferred your knowledge that you learned from Mercedes-Benz to Hyde Motorworks and bring new ideas, not like
Yeah.
refreshing all this. That's very great. So back to the topic, what do you think will come as next accessoire, or what do you think Hyde Motorworks goes next? What is the next step?
Next step is to build our own superchargers.
Own superchargers.
Yeah,
Wow.
because the superchargers we've been using are kind of failing us. They're running low in
Yes, I understand. So you want to be not, how's it called, like, you don't want to rely on different products, you want your own products that you
yes,
can
and a
always
new
take
product
care
because
of. Yes,
we've
yes,
been using refurbished.
yes. Reduce the chain,
And
Yes,
the market is kind of swamped. We hardly can buy
Yes.
any superchargers anymore, and
that's why
That's
they are
why we
always
have
out of stock, god damn it.
new superchargers
Yes,
with proper warranty on it and reliable,
and no superchargers out of stock anymore.
and no superchargers out of stock anymore.
Great. So this is the future. Was it his plan, so Hyde's plan, or your plan, or together, or plan of the think tank?
Together.
So plan of the think tank.
Yes.
Yes.
Because we've been thinking about that for a while, and Hyde found this company that is willing and able to build them, and
Very nice, very nice, very nice. I guess we will talk about this with Hyde later, or in the next episode, I would say. But this is a very nice idea. It brings the company forward, I guess, because
yes,
as I said, we reduce the chain. We are now not anymore out of stock. Great.
and we're not dependable on a stock out there in the world that is running low in quantities.
Yes.
Yes, and then I'm a big Mercedes fan, of course.
Yes, and that's my last question. I have last topic here. I really have a last. Your name is Agathe.
Yes, and the
And
next project is Miss A.
Yes, I see it on the webpage. Mercedes, Mrs. A, project Mrs. A. So, what do you think? It's what kind of car is 100 W100?
W124.
Yes. So,
And that's the next Supercharger kit coming out.
okay. And I saw it downstairs. You already have this car, right?
We do have this
Yes,
car, and
yes. It's a red one, a super red one. Looks very good, very clean.
yes,
Yes, looks cool. And you want to install the supercharger kit here?
of course.
It's more like private fashion or private idea, and
Well, you know, I was trying to push the Mercedes-Benz brand a little bit.
yes,
BMW was always
finished. Next brand.
Yes, exactly. So let's hope and see what comes out of that.
Yes, I mean Mercedes always worked with superchargers. So somehow they stopped, but seems like new spirit comes to Mercedes.
Yes,
But you prefer sticking to older Mercedes, right?
yes, classic
Yeah,
cars.
Classic cars, great. That's why you have this great idea with the W124.
24, one of the best
Great.
cars ever made.
Yes, and you drive it daily, right? You
Yes,
drive it. Yes,
yes,
great.
yes,
Awesome,
yes.
awesome. How does it feel driving? Back in the days, like your childhood?
Well, it's a manual, and it is a very powerful car already without the supercharger.
Yes, I bet many Americans are crazy that a woman drives manual. I don't know. Many drive here same automatically, but
Yeah,
you
meanwhile,
decided.
even in Germany, a lot of people prefer the automatic
Really?
because it's easier.
Yeah, it's very easy. You
It's
just,
easier
yeah.
to drive. All you have to do is push the acceleration. But manual, that's something else. That's an experience.
Absolutely,
You feel the car.
yeah,
You feel
Absolutely.
when you shift the
Yes,
gears. You
yes.
feel
You are the
the
boss.
acceleration.
Yes.
You're the boss. You don't have to depend on the the automated gear shifting
Yes.
of the car.
Great. So, why you said for yourself you would go with this car? Would you say you would go with this car forever? Better question.
Yes.
Yes. Would you? So you don't
I think this engine will run forever and a day.
longer than you or me?
Definitely.
Well, if taken care of it, I would say yes.
Well, yeah, but Hyde and his team are very good at
Yes.
taking care of.
I mean, the
our
old
cars.
engines may get older than me, so of course, these engines were
Yes.
built to last. Yes,
They were built to last,
Yes.
exactly.
that's great. So, you want to put this big blower on it, or what? I mean, this is kind
Yes, this
Yes!
or a road tracks. We'll have both versions.
of both. Okay, great. Road truck's small but powerful. This one powerful and big. So,
Yeah, also
You
this
go
car
crazy, you go
comes
crazy.
in two versions. This will come in a 2.1 liter and a 2.8 liter. So
many cars don't have 2.1 liters engine, so. Supercharger bigger than the engine. Okay, great.
well, under the hood of the W124, it's quite a huge engine.
It is, yes. So you go to like a crazy woman with a 700 horsepower Mercedes driving here around in Germany.
I'll be happy to do that. I've been driving all my life.
Ah, yeah.
And I drove kind of like all models, all Mercedes models. Meanwhile, being in the press department, it gave me the opportunity to experience all kinds of not only brands but also all kinds of cars from the Mercedes brand. So I'm used to driving big and powerful cars, especially manuals.
Big and powerful. We came here. I'm BMW fanboy. You're a Mercedes woman. What is better? We sell both products soon. Okay. We know what it is.
Look at this forehead. The star is impressive.
Yes. We know. So Mercedes, of course, yes. And that's why you pushed it so forward. Great. I would say I would stick to BMW, but Mercedes is also a great car. I like the inside interior. Gives you some luxury feeling. You sit there like on a couch or grandma's couch, soft, wobbly. It's great. It's awesome.
And we improved the engine as well.
Yes. So, what would you say? Why you went to Mercedes as you were young? You said 25.
That was a coincidence. I applied. I wanted to do event management and applied at an agency.
Mm-hmm.
And it ended up being an agency that was doing events for Mercedes-Benz.
And then you just switched.
And my boss back in the day, we got along so well that he just pulled me in.
He said, "This worker is good. I need it for Mercedes."
Yes, and so I left the agency and started with the company directly working in the communications department. That was
and then you finished.
Good coincidence, and then I had a short break where I had 2 kids, and then I went back and then I started with international communications.
I really don't know how it is in other countries, but here in Germany you can take a break for working while you have kids, like 6 months or 2 years, I don't know. You can do like you want, up to maybe
11 years if you want to.
11 years. No. We want to work, I guess.
No, I went back after 4 years.
Oh, great, yes.
Meanwhile, I had 2 kids.
Mm-hmm. And then after the 25 years at Mercedes, Hyde came, said, "I want this girl." She taught me.
Kind of
she said, he taught me. I learned German so fast. I need this one at my company.
Yeah, because I taught in German.
Yes.
Well, only the important words, you know.
Only the important words like onions.
Only only the important words. Meanwhile, we have our own language. We speak a mixture of German and English that is
I was
very
a few times
difficult to follow if you don't speak one of the languages.
You speak English and then there's German word coming at you.
We drop the German words like Steuerberatung, in English.
Crazy words, yes. Steuerberatung, tax agent, very nice in English, but we take Steuerberatung. Okay. Germans, longer words, longer, crazy. So, it was very nice to have you here.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to meet you. We will see what you bring out next as accessoire.
Accessory,
Accessory, sorry, yes.
I have a few ideas already and we're working on it.
Then, see you next time. Bye bye.
See you next time.